Good morning, everybody. I have to show you this. Ford charges 1,300 rand for those rubbers that goes on the fuel injectors. And they only give you the rubbers with the tightener. And what happened to mine is every time I put the rubber on, it would break because the fuel injector had a small chip at the bottom of where the rubber went over, and I didn't know that. And I ordered from Timo these rubbers. It comes in 4 packages like this, 3 packages like this. And had I ordered it from Timo in the beginning, I wouldn't have had that bad luck, or I wouldn't have to replace the injector at all, because as you can see, they give you that thing that goes over the injector. It goes like this. So that now keeps your rubber from breaking, actually. And then on top of that, they give you this, which also is not included with Ford's package. This thing here, that little plastic thing there, also not included with Ford's package. And so you have a choice between the two, and then your rubber goes actually on top of this right there. So your rubber don't break. Even though you have a chip on your injector itself, the rubber won't break because that plastic that you see there keeps it from breaking. But with Ford's 1,300 rand package, this is not included. This wasn't included, and neither was this, and neither was that. Only this was included there. Only this thing, that. Not even this, I'm not lying to you, not even that was included. None of that was included there. You just get this basically, and this is what you get. So this cost me 74 rand for 3 instead of 1,300 rand for the rubbish that I got from Ford. So just a heads up, guys. It's not always, the more expensive doesn't always make it better. More expensive actually cost me a lot of bloody money that I could have saved.